I'm Janine Anderson with this afternoon's Kenosha News Minute, sponsored by Go Kenosha, your community calendar. A federal judge today said KUSD can no longer bar transgender boy Ash Whitaker from using the boys' restroom at Tremper High School. Judge Pamela Pepper granted Whitaker's injunction request, part of a larger federal discrimination suit he filed against the district, which he said has violated his civil rights. The district plans to appeal. Communities are starting to send ballots to the thousands of voters with existing requests to vote absentee by mail ahead of the November 8th general election. In-person absentee voting starts over the next several weeks, with every municipality setting its own dates and hours. Painting and cleanup work is taking place this week around the Kenosha Creative Space downtown, aimed to prepare the storefront for its Saturday block and alley party. The building is being painted and windows prepped to display artwork. About 500 people showed up this weekend to help on more than 20 projects around Kenosha as part of the 12th annual Day of Caring, sponsored by the United Way of Kenosha County. For more, check KenoshaNews.com and pick up the Kenosha News.